If you're incredibly stressed or you've been experiencing a lot of anxiety, chances are you will do anything to feel better now. And your home can actually help. Your entire environment can help you to calm down and feel so much peace. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about emotional decluttering. In fact, in this whole video series, it's all about emotional decluttering. Decluttering to release emotions you no longer want to experience actively in your life. Now, this is so profound because everything in your home is an extension of you. So every single pillow, every single book, everything is an extension of you. It's part of your energy field and it's influencing you all day long. And when you let go of stuff that is not harmonizing with how you want to feel, it can help you immensely. Now, I want to say this is not meant to be a cure for severe anxiety or the total solution to reset your nervous system, but this can be a powerful missing link that can help all the other things that you do come together like never before. Before I go too far, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention, which is an entire method and school of Feng Shui based on infinite possibility, everything's possible, creative awakening, because that's how you manifest more, and your intention, using your powers of focus, your desires, your wishes and dreams, all coming to life as you activate your creativity, live with more possibility, and design a space that makes your dreams come true, which is so incredibly cool. And I say this with confidence because I've seen it so many times, and it all begins with decluttering. So for anxiety, we are starting today in your bedroom. Sleep has so much to do with resetting your nervous system, making you feel safe and calm and grounded, having a safe haven. And for some people, a bedroom is the safest or most private or most sanctuary space in your home. So we're gonna really declutter the bedroom of certain stimuli that can be making your nervous system run too fast. First thing is electronics. If you can, please take the TV out of the bedroom, and if you can't, please just leave it turned off when you sleep. I'm telling you, the difference that it makes is magnificent. Also, please try to take work out of your bedroom. Work meaning your computer, books for work, things you're reading for work, your phone where you read emails for work. I know that a lot of you use your phone as an alarm clock. It's common. Put it far away from your bed, leave your phone on airplane mode, and just keep it as far away as possible so that you do not pick it up first thing in the morning. You want to start your day calm and disconnected from extra electronics. Now, on that note, for your life, declutter that habit of grabbing your phone first thing in the morning and looking at it. If you have to shut off an alarm, so be it. I highly recommend getting a little battery operated alarm clock. It's the simplest thing ever, and you can keep your phone far, far away from your bed, maybe in another room, and you have no temptation to pick it up when you first wake up because it's simply not there. If you do pick up your phone, you want to just shut off your alarm, put it down, and walk away. And really curating the amount of social media you take in can do wonders for your nervous system. If you get away from social media for even one day, you'll be astonished by how much your system reacts when you start scrolling through things. It's almost night and day, the change you can make just by letting go of extra social media. Another big thing that you can do for yourself is clear out overly loud colors and patterns in rooms where you spend a lot of time and you tend to feel more anxious. So if you have a lot of bright color or a lot of bright light in any room, it can be extremely stimulating. So think about ways that you can take away the extra pillows, take away the extra color, even move art around so that you have more calm surrounding you. As we get into this series, I just want to say that decluttering your entire home is going to make a huge difference, but with all things, we start step by step on a gradient. That said, the free Feng Shui decluttering video class is starting soon, and it will walk you through the depths of deep cleansing the energy in your home, clutter clearing with a method that makes it so easy to work through your whole home. Below in the description box, you'll find a link to join us in this free and fantastic Feng Shui decluttering class, and it is such a great way to get ready to start the best new year ever. One other tip that you can take throughout your whole home is that anxiety tends to represent a lack of flow. Energy gets balled up or stuck or overexcited, and it creates this sort of firing of all sorts of mechanisms in your body. And that's the most unmedical, energetic way to describe anxiety. But if you've experienced it in your life or any sort of deep stress, it is profound how it can really take hold of your system. And when you create more flow in your space, it helps you to create more flow in your life and allows some of that extra energy to move through you rather than getting sort of stuck and overstimulated in anxiety. So another fantastic thing for you to do is to just walk through your whole home and look at where things are looking stuck. So do you have a bunch of stuff stuck in a corner? Pay attention to that corner and start decluttering it. Do you have a lot of stuff stuck in a closet? Make a note that that's the closet you're going to declutter first. Do you have a lot of stuff stuck in files or drawers? That's going to be your focus. Opening up this flow overall is going to be so spectacular. And in that free decluttering class that's coming soon, when you start working on the energy of your home in a profound way, clearing the energy in your home, that's also going to bring you a lot of freshness and that sense of peace and harmony and flow. And finally, I have a tip that might seem a little unusual to some of you. There are these fabulous grounded power strips. They're actually, the ones that I get them on Amazon, but I believe you can get them at hardware stores. They're extremely grounding for all of your electronics, and they have a safety feature so that if you have a power surge in your house, like something goes off, there's a blackout, all of your electronics are protected. But also I've noticed that when I use these in my home, the energy of my electronics feels more grounded. And so I recommend all my clients do this if they have computers and TVs and other electronics all plugged in somewhere. And this can be an excellent way to ground the energy even more. All of this can help you to create more flow, more harmony, and really tap into your power. Because the whole point of all of this decluttering is to allow yourself to shine so that you can do more, you can manifest more, you can break through barriers that have been lingering over your head for far too long, and you can launch into the greatest new year ever. So on that note, if you try this, please let me know what happens, and feel free to customize everything. You can always leave questions and comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends. It helps the channel so much, and I so appreciate you helping to get the word out and the work out further in the world. And again, the free decluttering video class is linked below. I hope you love every single minute of it, and I will be back very soon with more in this emotional decluttering series. And in the meantime, there are so many videos on this channel for you to explore. I will be back soon. Bye.